my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, loves. So today's video is a spring tour of my living room, and I've added color to my living room for the first time. And if you guys would like to see what I came up with, just keep on watching. Okay, loves. So, as I said, this is my spring living room tour for 2020. I have added new color to this room. Guys, I have not added color in 4 years to this room. I've been a little scared to add color. This room has been black and white for about 4 years now. And I decided that I wanted to add a little color. So we were kind of getting tired of the black and white and the silver. So I'm going to take you guys around and show you where I've added those little touches of color at. Okay. I won't be going over everything in the room because if you've seen my living room tour, you know most of the things that I have in here. Nothing has really changed. This area over here, I moved my stand from over here, and I just put the little horse head over here. And this shoe cabinet is basically the same. except for I added the Z Gallery candlesticks. They are new over here. The little vases with the floating candles, I added that, and the Z Gallery boxes, main boxes, they were added as well. Now, moving over here, this is a new purchase. This is a clock from Burlington, and as you can see, it has the bling going around it. I just got rid of my old clock that was up here. It had stopped working, so I finally let it go. Me and the hubby were looking for just the perfect clock to put here, so we didn't but not put nothing here until we found this one. And this clock was $14.99 at Burlington. And as I said, we are just loving it. The camera is not doing it any justice. Believe me, the light shines on this, the jewels on this clock, and it is really beautiful. The bar area, I don't know if you've seen that. You probably did in the other video. Couple things changed, but not much. I just added this candle here, and you've seen my DIY coasters right here. They are the bling coasters. I showed you that on a table scape. The fur wine bottle covers, those are the same. Most of these things on here are a DIY. The Chanel candle DIY. This candle holder, which was not a candle holder, I made it a candle holder. It is also a DIY. I just have the little cups from the Dollar Tree there to hold candy. I think you've seen my shadow box, my Chanel shadow box that I DIY'd. This glass with the stirrers in it, all of this is a DIY. The bottle is a DIY as well, and also the bucket, and I will come around so you can see that better. This is a small living room, guys, so um, bear with me as I try to move around the camera and the lighting. And this is a DIY cabinet. It was a wood cabinet. I painted it white, and I added the knobs on there. The knobs are from Home Home Goods. Yeah, Home Goods. And I know it looks like a lot of stuff is on this bar, guys, but um, it is. It really is. But I love everything on here, so it's going to stay for now. The water fountain back there is going to get a revamp. I'm going to updo that. I might take you along with me because to me it doesn't match anything on the bar. Moving over here, this is my new color, guys, and it's coral. And I got these curtains off of Amazon. I forgot how much how much it was. It was a single curtain that I split in half. I thought it came as two, but it did not, and I didn't feel like sending it back. So I just went on and split it, and you can't even tell because the split, I turned it around where they are on the end. Sorry about the light in here, guys. I have my ring light on, but it's still not clearing the window area up. So moving over here, let me get a little closer. Moving over here, I just have where I keep my extra pillows at. You've seen mostly everything on here. The only addition is the DIY designer books that I just done. I will leave a link to that video if you would like a full tutorial on how I made these books. And down here is some more DIY books that I had made previously. And back there, that is a little lantern that I have lit up back there. And this table, the end table, I got this off of line 2. This is, I believe it was off of Amazon. Let's go up here first. You've seen my DIY Chanel mirror. You've seen this lantern before as well. And I'm pretty sure you've seen the DIY paper flowers. I just love these flowers. I'm actually looking for a print that I can put up here. I'm getting kind of tired of the flowers now. I've had them up here for a long time. Now guys, the pillow I ordered off of Amazon, it's an orange pillow. I was looking for coral, and to me this looked like coral offline, but it was not when I received it, and it's just the cover, it's not the whole pillow, so I wasn't too much worried about it, but I probably will be purchasing a coral pillow cover because to me this pillow is throwing the coral off. You see, that is really kind of throwing it off to me. You've seen the couch before. I've ordered the couch offline as well. All the pillows on here you've seen before as well. Now let me get some light over here. The flower box, I made that. That's a DIY, and I added some coral flowers to it. And these are all the same pillows that's on the other side. The elephants, I have one on that side and one on that side as well. The coral has really brightened this room up, guys. Believe me, it is so bright in here now without the black curtains and all the black accessories that I had. Now, I know this is coming off as orange, but it is coral. It matches the curtains perfectly. It is a throw blanket that I've ordered offline. Over here, everything is pretty much the same. It's my gallery wall. I'm going to turn this light on so you guys can see. This is a lamp that I have had for years. It was gold and I spray painted it silver. I just love this lamp. I hate to get rid of it. Down here I just have my flower vase, and I did the glitter on the leaf print that was on it. And this all is sitting on a trunk that I also painted white. Over here, these are my flowers. I have lights in there, and I have my DIY coffee table books that's in the color of coral as well. And this is the mirrored stand that I moved from over by the entryway. I moved it over here. And there's the TV. And I just have some prints up there. And my blessed sign up there. And I have these candle holders from the Dollar Tree. They look coral to me, but they might be a little orangish. But they go with everything. And there's the fireplace. Over here I have my bookcase with some florals up there. I have my coral candles, and I have this lantern here that I put some little eggs in, some blinged out eggs, and some oranges coral eggs. I just added a little touch of spring. I didn't do too much, but I did play with the coral color a little bit around the room, and I am loving everything. I also added these little coral roses down here in my candle holder. And these shelves are lit. As you can see, I've added the Dollar Tree lights up under them. And that looks real pretty when it's lit up at nighttime. Over here. So that's it, guys. I've showed you the whole room. I showed you the little touches of coral that I've added for spring. And it was just to give you some inspiration and some ideas if you wanted to add color to your room for spring. So until next time, loves, bye bye.